Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to enable USB boot options on your Toshiba laptop. In my case, when I turn on the computer and try to boot via USB, and when you click F12, we don't get the options of the USB, as you can see. So right now we're going to, sorry about that, you have to focus a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and go to setup. So when you go to setup, you're going to go to advanced. I want you to enable these options, and you also go ahead and enable this legacy USB support and say enable, and then you click F10 to save changes and click enter. Then when the computer starts, you're going to click on F12 while the computer reboots. So when you click F12, you shall be able to see our SanDisk right now here. As you can see, we are going to go ahead and select. We have it selected here. Then click enter. Then after some time to ask to click any key so that you go into the operating system. So we're going to stop from here, but this is how you can boot any Toshiba laptop. In our case, we have a Toshiba satellite, and this is how you do the process. In my case, I'm going to wait for the Windows files to load. Then after, I'll do the Windows installation. You can check on my other video. In my case, I'm trying to install Windows 7, but in your case, you can install Windows 11, which is up to date right now. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.